Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best baby monitors. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 baby monitors, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Owlet Dream Sock, Smart Baby Monitor. Owlet's Smart Baby Monitor has advanced features that allow parents to track a baby's vital signs and sleep quality indicators, including heart rate, oxygen levels, wakings, sleep state, movement, and more, with a wearable smart sock. Set up the base station within 100 feet of the baby's crib, and Bluetooth technology will transmit pulse rate and blood oxygen levels. The base station will glow depending on the levels reported, and parents will get alerts on their smartphones. The system can also measure room temperature and humidity levels. The company also offers the Dream Sock Plus, which tracks vitals for children up to 5. And the coordinating app includes sleep prompts and a digital sleep coach to help the wee one go to bed. Personalized sleep program. From 4 to 12 months old, access Owlet's award-winning sleep program and receive an adaptable sleep schedule tailored to your baby's needs. See better sleep in as few as 7 days. Number 2. Lollipop Baby Monitor, Pistachio. This unique-looking baby monitor comes in vivid pastels and is made out of flexible non-toxic silicone. The camera is encased in a round white built-in speaker that gives the device the look of a cute cartoon eyeball. Loaded with smart capabilities, it connects through an Android/iOS app and can accurately detect crying, see and night vision, track sleep quality, and play lullabies and white noise. Although the monitor offers sleep tracking and continuous video recording, it's only free for 30 days. You'll need to buy a subscription to Lollipop Care to get that functionality year-round. Extra wearable sensor required. Monitoring your baby's breathing with AI technology, and you'll be able to view your baby's respiratory rate and sleeping position history. With 1080p Full HD quality, check on baby by looking at the Lollipop Live feed on your tablet or smartphone from anywhere you are. You may also invite family to take a peek at your baby. Number 3. VTech DM221 2 Audio Baby Monitor. This highly rated baby monitor has a range of up to 1,000 feet and provides parents with a vibrating sound alert and LED light visual when it detects sound. Additional features include a talkback intercom that allows parents to soothe their baby, as well as a nightlight feature and customizable volume. You can also choose to hear sounds from the baby unit all the time or only hear sounds that exceed a certain level. The parent monitor can adjust the microphone sensitivity of the baby unit, and a belt clip on the parent unit lets you take it anywhere in the house. LEDs on the parent unit indicate the level of sound in your baby's room so you can visually monitor the noise level. The built-in intercom on the parent unit lets you talk to your baby from any room. Number 4. Nanit Pro Smart Baby Monitor and Wall Mount. An award-winning, innovative baby monitor, the Nanit offers an impressive variety of video capabilities, including 1080p HD bird's eye view, night vision, sleep tracking, sound and motion notifications, and temperature and humidity checks. You can even talk back to your baby, thanks to two-way audio. The Nanit Pro is compatible with iOS, Android, Kindle Fire, and Echo Show, which allow you to get sound, sleep, and motion alerts delivered to your devices. FSA/HSA approval gives you peace of mind when it comes to safety certification, and the included breathingware gives you sensor-free motion monitoring for accuracy. Be aware that the Nanit includes a free 1-year subscription to your video history and data, but after that, you'll have to pay for access. Nanit Pro Camera, Wall Mount, Small Sensor-Free Breathing Band, 0 to 3 months. Nanit is the only smart monitor with a split-screen feature that allows users to view 2 cameras on one screen. Number 5. Motorola MBP164 Connect Audio Baby Monitor. This audio baby monitor is a great option, as it's powered by traditional radio connectivity up to 900 feet. Plus, it uses smart technology to connect to an app via Wi-Fi. A high-sensitivity microphone picks up even the slightest sound and can record and analyze noise to determine sleep quality. Two-way radio functionality allows parents to talk to and soothe the child through the monitor. You can also download songs and stories to play for your baby, as well as monitor room temperature and turn on a nightlight. Downloading the Hubble app on your device gives you access to sleep data and sound tracking. To use, just plug the baby intercom monitor into any electrical outlet in your child's room and control it using the dedicated parent unit or your compatible smartphone. Stay updated day or night, be alerted immediately whenever the monitor detects sound in your child's room. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.